Cryptocurrency is a highly dynamic and fast-paced industry. Be sure to know about crypto scams so your hard-earned cash doesn't leave your possession. Cryptocurrency scams take many forms, including fake ICOs, initial coin offerings, phishing scams, Ponzi schemes, and pump and dump schemes. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to thoroughly research the project and the team behind it. If there is limited information available or the information that is available is vague or unrealistic, it's likely a scam. Scammers often promise unrealistic returns to entice people to invest in their scams. If an investment opportunity promises high returns with minimal risk, it's likely a scam. Scammers often use unsolicited offers or cold calls to lure people into their scams. If you receive an offer to invest in a cryptocurrency that you did not initiate, be suspicious. Check the website and social media presence. Scammers often have poorly designed websites and limited social media presence. Check for signs of professionalism, including well-designed logos, professional images, and a strong online presence. Pump and dump schemes are a type of scam in which a group of individuals artificially inflate the price of a cryptocurrency by spreading false or misleading information and then selling their holdings for a profit. Avoid investing in cryptocurrencies that have recently experienced sudden price spikes. Finally, coordinate and collaborate with friends and family you trust.